Hey, hi. I'm going to explain to you the experience that I went through using the Ultra Zoom Camera HD app, which I installed on my Samsung phone. And what I can say is, after installing it, opening the app, you'll be bombarded with ads. I don't know what you're going to explain on what you're going to experience on your side, but on my side, I have a lot of ads, and some of these ads you have to watch them for 2 minutes. I couldn't really actually manage watching ads for 2 minutes to actually just take a peek. Seriously, guys, I wanted to actually try out the remove background feature and all of that stuff because I can see here the app says like you can take a photo, remove background, something like that. It has camera effects and all of that stuff. But I couldn't actually test all these ones out because I couldn't believe like you have to watch like 2 minutes of ads to kind of take a photo. And after taking a photo, I had to actually watch other ads which you can't really even uh, cross. Okay. I thought it was maybe me who was expressing this only, but when I took time to read through several reviews on Google on Google Play Store, I realized that actually most of the people are having the same issues that I was having. There's an ad for every button. Maybe this one is a good, but it's saying like it's very slow and doesn't support front camera. Actually, this is something which I realized also. Please don't waste your time on that because every small option needs you to watch 30-second advertisement. This is something which I went through. I love the quality and how it remains stabilized. I just hate it that it always acts like I just install it every time I come back to the app. There's some actually good reviews about it, but most of the bad reviews are related to advertisement. The app is full of advertisement. This one saying the worst camera in the world. Okay, it every ad comes with like 2 minutes. I don't want to give this app even 1 star. Something which I experienced also. Don't download this app. It's useless. The app is filled with ads. So most of the guys actually, I think they're pissed off with the ads because you may actually fail to even take a photo because of the ads. Something which I actually encountered. Okay, so I don't know what you find about Ultra Zoom Camera HD. Let me know, but I failed completely to even actually do a merge of the photos that I really wanted. I wanted to just take photos and try to merge, but everything that you click in this app brings you an ad. Maybe if there are no ads, okay, maybe the ads are few because I believe you're using the free version. I think it will be a great app, but uh, currently you can try it yourself and you see that you may even fail to do anything because you have to watch ads. I can't really take 5 minutes to watch ads because I just want to grid a photo, something which I can do with another app. But let me know what was your experience using the Ultra Zoom Camera HD app. Okay, see you in the next video and bye bye.